How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Trust Wallet app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now here you're gonna find different options. Head over to the option of buy. Now here you're gonna find all crypto options. Head over to the option of Bitcoin, or also you can search for it. At the top you're gonna see the search box. Over there type in Bitcoin and then click on it. Now enter the desired amount of Bitcoin that you want to purchase and then click on the option of pay with credit card. Now from here you can easily select the payment method and purchase the Bitcoin. Under provider section you're going to find some of the popular payment methods, or also you can click on the option of credit card. You're going to get the option of Apple Pay or bank transfer. Select the option of your choice and go through the process. Once you provide your payment details, you will be able to purchase the Bitcoin. So this is how you can easily buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.